My name's Karen Maxwell, and my husband and I own and manage the treat factory at Berry. We're located in the old Central Creamery, and we're fourth generation of manufacturers of preserves. Well, I think the Shoalhaven's been the best kept secret for a long while. I just absolutely adore walking along 7 Mile Beach. I can often be the only person walking along the beach in the morning. We get to meet lots of people visiting from Sydney and all around the world. We've also just opened an exciting new venture where we're working with South Coast Dairy, and we're using local milk produced in the beautiful paddocks surrounding the treat factory, and we're making gelato. I think the smell that tantalises me the most is the smell of the caramel when the fudge is being made. It fills the whole shop, and everybody that walks in the door goes, "Oh, that smells really good." It's got this really sweet, sort of syrupy, sort of almost like a maple syrup caramel smell, which is one of my favourite. Yeah.